Okay, let's write a C++ program to generate Fibonacci series for n terms. Okay, let's start with this program. First you need to write that including function, um, include the library function hash include iostream.h, and then hash include conio.h. It's a consolidated input and output, and it is the input output stream.h. The input and output streams can be used by with this both header files of the function. Okay, then you can write the main function, void main function. After that you can put the variables, declare the variables. We are using these two variables of x1 is equal to -1 and x2 is equal to 1 and x3 with the n terms of input. Okay, next we can use this clear function to clear the screen. Okay, clear screen. Okay, clear screen. Then you'll get an output from you'll get an input from the user. So we have using this cout function, like enter the number of terms. Okay, if you want to null, then put it on. Okay, then get an input from C input. We are using this as an, this is for C output and this is for C input. Okay, the variable which can be given from the user, getting from the user is the n term, n variable. Okay, so put it on n. Then you have to use the for loop function, the for loop giving the input variable I is equal to 0, integer I, index value I is equal to 0, and then I less than n and I plus plus. Okay, getting an input n terms with the n value and I is equal to 0 and I less than n, it will be continuing to loop this function. Okay, then we need a operation of x3 is equal to x1 plus x2. Then you can print you can print the value of n, c3 x3 of n. Okay, so cout is we have to put a new line for this function. Okay, then what is the value, that is x3 value can be printed in this output function, in the output. Okay, then you can swapping this x1 is equal to, swapping means converting, giving x2 value to x1 and x3 value to x2. Okay, after, for this function loop, for I equal to 0, I less than n, it will be operating with this function. Okay, the statement. Then using sketch, we are using void main, so you need to use the sketch function. Okay, after that close the loop. This is the program for generating the Fibonacci series for n terms. Okay, let's assume how the program will be operated. Okay, let's assume x1, x2 and x3. We have to print this x3 because here we put cout is a x3. Okay, so x3 is the output. Okay, if you're giving a n input is enter the n terms, you can give like 5 n terms, so n is equal to 5. Okay, we already given x1 is equal to -1, x2 is equal to 1, so x1 is equal to -1 and x1 equal to 1, x3 is equal to x1 plus x2 already be given, so it will be 0. So it print first 0 value and then x2 is given to that x1, so it will be giving this one and it will be giving this one. 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Okay, so this is given and this is given, so 0, 1, 1. So output will be 0 1 1. After this have 3 values given completed, we have 5 values can be printed in the output. So this 1 1 will 2 will add it to 2, and this 1 and 2 1 2 3. So 0 1 1 2 3, it will be printed like this. So the Fibonacci series of n terms, I mean 5 terms, can be printed like this as output. One by one we can use this new line function. Okay, this is the output of this is the output, and this is the program for this to generate the Fibonacci series. Okay, thank you.